back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you guys know, tonight is the night for the Rose and Gold She's Hot competition, sponsored by none other than Playboy International.
Exactly.
Our winner for today is Miss Zendaya.
Congratulations.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Zendaya is an American actress and singer. She began her career as a child model and backup dancer before gaining prominence for her role as Rocky Blue on Disney Channel's Shake It Up. And she's also from Oakland, California, and she's 23 years old. Congratulations, Miss Zendaya.
Congratulations, Miss Zendaya. You really have blossomed. We were kind of surprised when your name got entered into the box and that it won from our studio co-host and the audience. You guys chose Zendaya. She's really, like I said, blossomed from the childhood Disney star to now.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And I'm 13. My sister, Dr. Ross, is 16 years old, and we're working on some movie scripts. Who knows? Zendaya, if we run into you in LA, the City of Angels, we'll put you in one of our films. We might make a music video together. That's for you, Zendaya. Let's move on to our hot topics for today, shall we, Dr. Ross?
Stop! You violated the law.
And on a sidebar, before we go into our hot topics, let's do a quick recap of all of our greatest and latest winners for the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
And remember, all of these women are scandalous, hot superstars, and they're astute and great at what they do.
Established, too.
That's right, Dr. Ross.
We respect your hustle.
That's right.
And your money.
Let's move on to our quick recap, starting off with Nicki Minaj,
The Anaconda.
Miss Tori Robot,
The Instagram model that we want to say is going to eventually be a video game character.
that's right. Our third winner was Miss Paris Hilton.
The Billionaires and the DJ.
The fourth was the Kardashian clan.
Including Mama Chris.
The fifth was Miss Abby Douse.
The Australian supermodel.
The sixth was Miss Kimora Lee.
Miss Kimora Lee is the Asian persuasion.
Our seventh winner was Miss Hennessy Carolina.
We've changed her name to Brandy now, for personal reasons.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Our eighth winner was none other than Noah Cyrus.
Noah Cyrus is the younger sister of Miley Cyrus.
Our ninth winner was Miss none other than the Angelina Jolie.
Angelina Jolie is the mother of scandal. We've been over this before.
The sound of progress.
The tenth is Miss Rosella Pernetti.
Miss Rosella Pernetti is a dime. 10 out of 10.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And our next winner was none other than the Megan Fox.
Megan Fox is scandalous. She left her husband and her kids. Still scandalous with long neck.
Our next winner was Miss Larsa Pippen.
Larsa Pimpin, as usual, was pimpin' alongside Scottie Pimpin and left him to the curb too.
Our next winner is Miss Lisa Rinna.
Miss Lisa Rinna, you've been in a lot of drama lately, but we love you. Playboy,
Cardi B.
Cardi B, just as scandalous as your younger sister, so we had to add you to the list.
Our next winner is none other than Jennifer Aniston.
Jennifer Aniston, we obviously had to add you to this because just like Angelina Jolie, you're scandalous. Probably not to her level, but we still had to add you to this.
Our next winner is Miss MR, Margot Robbie.
Margot Robbie, you did great in that Harley Quinn role.
Our next winner is Halle Berry.
Halle Berry, forced to be reckoned with.
Objection! Our next winner was Miss Julianne Moore.
Scandalous, as always.
That's right. And our latest and greatest winner was none other than Zendaya.
The child Disney actor who has blossomed now.
We love it.
These women are superstars, moneymakers, and they're elite at what they do. They are the best in the industry.
Exactly.
That's for all you hot vixens. We'd love to do a movie with you. We'll invite every one of you bitches. Let's move into our hot topics for today.
For our first hot topic, we have why Kim Kardashian and Kanye West traveled outside the U.S.
you need to move further. That's my only advice. But do you and have fun in Barbados or wherever you're at right now. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So recently a petition went around from Kylie Jenner's fans that they wanted Kylie Jenner to be removed from Megan Thee Stallion's music video that went viral. Cardi B goes out and defends Kylie Jenner's appearance in the WAP video after fans are wild. What are your thoughts about this one, Sebastian?
Or am I just making that up?
Oh my god, Dad!
Dad, are you okay? Damn it, I hate these new stairs. Yeah, fine. I'm just gonna lie here until the pain goes away.
First of all, Dr. Ross, Kylie Jenner is a billionaire.
Exactly.
With an uppercase B. Kylie is already all the way up there. She's at the top. If you wanted to poke pins at her or poke fun at Kylie, you should have done it when she was still at the bottom. Because now she's gotten so big, she probably asked Cardi B if she could pay her to be in the music video. Because she is that big. Just for her to be in the video, that's already a compliment.
Exactly.
So, you guys can't even make a music video and get that much money, or even get Kylie Jenner in it.
My only question for this has to be to the fans. How much money are you guys making from this music video? Nothing.
Exactly.
So just stop it. Just stop it. These were all of our hot topics today. Want to close it off for us, Black King Sebastian?
Our Jamaican hair gel and clothing line, it has been flying off the shelves and selling like hotcakes. So make sure to pick up yours today. We will put one in the link in the description below, as well as you can DM us to buy them as well. They're selling for $9.99 for the gel and $26 for the shampoo. Trust me, your hair will love it. As well as the dreads, the beautiful, luscious dreads you will get.
Exactly. And Kylie Jenner, we just want to say, maybe you should make an appearance on our Rose and Gold Rasta shampoo instead of going on these music videos and getting bashed for it.
That's right, we could be a partner.
But these were all of our hot topics. Thank you for stopping by on the Rose and Gold channel once again. And congratulations to Zendaya, our She's Hot winner. Welcome to the team, Zendaya.
We out.